Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas. Today we're going to be installing some aftermarket, aftermarket brake and an aftermarket clutch lever on the Cbr650f. I think it's MZ5 or MZS. I think it's an S, MZS. Levers here. So they're cooler because they're black and they look nice. So this here is the clutch, and this is the brake lever. So we'll get right down to it. We're gonna remove the stock levers first. So we got a flathead screwdriver, and we've got socket set here. So we're going to start doing the brake lever first. Okay. So I'm going to use the flathead here to hold this bolt. And I'm going to come under here. And loosen this out. This here is kind of in the way on me, but I think I'll be able to get it out, hopefully. I wonder if I might have to loosen this bolt here so I can just twist it out of the way, which I didn't really want to do. Alright, so I just loosened that so I can pull this up out of the way, and now I can be able to get that out. There we go. Okay, got that? There we go. All right, so let's grab our aftermarket lever. I'm supposed to use grease, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna use some WD-40 as a lubricant. Lube that up with some WD-40. That's good. Put this nut back on. That's that. And now this guy here, this line, I'm just gonna put that back to where it was. All right, that was easy. There, so that's the brake lever. Hey, buddy. All right, yeah, so look at that. Looks pretty good to me. All right, now let's do the clutch lever, which is a little more in-depth, but I've replaced clutch levers on dirt bikes, so I'm not too worried about it. So same thing, gotta take out this guy here. Yeah, okay. Oh, there's the bolt. Oh, excuse me, there's the nut I dropped. The actual lever out. And we have to just remove the clutch from this, just like that. Okay. Oop, did I just suck back in a little bit? I did. So now I just got to get that lever, or excuse me, that cable to come back out so I can get it into this cut right here, right? But I'm gonna have to get some slack in the cable to be able to do that. Shoot. All right, well, I'm gonna have to come down and come down here to get slack in that. I'm gonna do the lever first. So I just disconnected that here, so I have slack up at that end. I'm gonna get the lever in, and then I'll come back down there. So see, I have this out again. So I'm gonna spray WD-40 on that. Bunch of WD-40. Okay, now clutch lever. Put this in here, like that. Voila. Now Let me just get that bolt again and the nut. So yep, they do supply you with 2 spacers. So take this small spacer, put that right there, get this lined up. Tighten that down. Other spacer, put it on the bottom, and then your nut. Now we'll get that tightened up. There we go. Got it. Okay, so I just use pliers to get it just a little bit more. But there we go. So we got that connected. I'm just gonna tighten the clutch now because there's a little too much slop in it.